Huku Kenya akazikwa, huko Nyeri watu wema walimzika baada sport. Twamkumbuka mama
tukire guku wetagwo Olkarau Botanical Gardens kuririkana gikuo kia Baden Powell munene witu wa scout uria wakuire na nitwendaga kumuririkana o mwaka na tugikena ni undu wa gukwira murimo na kirehwo guku Kenya uria wathikirwo kuria Nyeri. Uguo tukire guka kuririkana kiririkano giake na tuhande muti tumuririkanage guku Olkarau Botanical tondu nitukoragwo tunyitanite na county itu ya Nyandarua.
We have come to remember the founder of Scout, who is Baden Powell. We, as the Scout of Elite, we decided to come here and plant this tree we will come and water it every year as to remember Baden Powell.
A great person in this world, because he started an organization that will never be forgotten and it will always be there.